Hey there everyone, welcome back to Blades and More for a review of this Kizer Vanguard Splinter folding pocket knife. This splinter is a very nice quality gentleman's folding pocket knife that comes in at a lightweight, and it's a mid-size EDC. That's just a very unique and slender build from Kizer. This knife was designed by Tomcat Knives for Kizer, and it is the Splinter model. Very lightweight, slender, slim. Call it a gentleman's EDC. Just a really neat little piece. I'm very impressed by it, and I would highly recommend it. It's a mid-size knife. Comes in around 7.5 inches overall length, with a blade length of 3.25 inches and a blade thickness of 0.11 inches. The blade material is a Bowler N690, and it is a drop point blade design with a tapered swedge, and it's a stonewash finish on the blade with a plain edge, small sharpening choil, has a flipper tab opening, smaller flipper tab, no jimping, but it opens very nicely. The handle is made out of a G10 handle material, kind of heavily textured. Really cool sculpturing on the handle, very slim. Not tall at all. This is the black version. It also comes in a black and blue version handle. Has a blue G10 back spacer. Looks really cool with a lanyard hole. The handle is very nicely sculptured. Has a stainless steel liner with a liner lock. Locks up very smoothly, very nice. It is a tip-up carry design with a smaller stainless steel carrying clip that can be placed on the back side or the front side of the handle to accommodate right or left-hand carry. The blade centering is perfect in the handle. It's a very nice quality build, this Kizer. Comes in at a very light 2.35 ounce weight. It's a manual opening with the flipper tab. It is the model number V3457N1 by Kizer. They make this knife in a variety of different versions with different blade material. This piece comes in around the $70 price point. With the upgraded blade materials, they can be 150, 175 type range. Just a really cool piece. I would give it high recommendations. I was very impressed by the knife. My only maybe small concern is that the handle is so slim that when you go to flip it open, you have to make sure you keep a pretty good grip on that that small handle. It tends to want to get away from you. But that's a nice option for a very lightweight, thin EDC, gentleman's EDC. I wouldn't use this knife for heavier duties, even though it probably could accommodate. It's more just a everyday urban EDC, but it's a really cool design. So there we go, everybody. It is the Vanguard Kizer Splinter folding pocket knife. Thank you very much for watching. I would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel by hitting this little button right here. Hope to see you back again soon. All right, bye now.